May pinagkokopyahan si Clay. Yan. What's that? Is that a fighting fish? Oh, may copy si Clay sa Pinterest, Arian. Pinterest. Kaya gising ng Disney princess namin, nag-almasal pa lang siya, 11. Nagka-copy ka, Clay, sa Pinterest. O, yung copy na. I'm video you so you can watch your activity. Wow, ilan yan? You count it. You count it, Clay. Wow, 6. And what are the colors? You tell me what are the colors.
Red and red.
Okay, sige, go.
Wait, I forgot to with the Daddy, what is the part is that? What's that?
It's a body. It's a body of fish. Oo, pinakakopyahan niya. Yes. That one.
Gagawin yung Fatima.
Okay. You careful na matapon mo, ha.
Do you watch Frankie?
At dati, 10 years ago!
Alin?
Ayun o, yung ano,
Yung...
ito.
Ano nga yan?
Ito!
Papadingin, hindi ko nakita na wala. Oo. Ilan taong ka na? Oo, di ba? Sabi sa iyo binyag mo yan, Arian yung ngayong Pasko. Binyag mo yan 0 months ka pa lang nun, wala ka pang 1 year. Yung bininyagang ka, sikat yan kantahin. December nun
Eh di pag mag-2025 na, 11 na. Eh di 11 na rin ako.
Ha?
Eh di 11 na rin ako pag 11 years na rin.
Yes.
Eh ano? Hindi sabihin. Eh di sabihin 2014 pa.
Oo.
10 years ago. Ang galing. Wow! Dali lang ko.
Wow, ang ganda naman. Yung tail niya, color red. Ha, Clay? Color red yung tail? Wow, okay na. You
And
finish it.
this is the hair of the fish.
Dami yung paint.
Akala ko mura. Ang mahal pala.
Eh kasi ang dami niya ano. 2014 Daddy!
Oo.
Ayun no?
Yes. Hinaan mo lang kasi maano ko sa YouTube. I-upload ko to sa YouTube para may mapapanood ka
10 years old.
Why? Ang galing ah. Ganda naman oh. Oh, go. You finish it.
Wow. Eh di, ibig sabihin malaki na yung...
Kasing laki mo.
Ate, kuha yung sticker. Let's put a Jerry with the senator fish.
Galing.
Daddy, bakit si ate? Saan ni ate brow daw?
Hindi yung bad boots.
No, that is bad word.
Dito pa kasi sa...
Arin na muna ng konti kasi pagkatapos ko na ito maano ko sa YouTube eh. Copyright. Naririnig. Oh, ano naman yan? Yan yung kasama ng color.
Yes.
Magkukulay ka pa, Arian. Okay, ibalat mo na kayo.
Ayoko.
Ha? Ari.
Bigay niya sa akin to eh.
Ha?
Bigay niya sa akin to.
Si Clay nagbigay sa'yo?
Yes.
Ang sweet ni Clay.
Diba this is for me?
Because I want to borrow this.
Yun. Baro pali.
Di ba you said I'll not borrow that and you'll not borrow this?
No, because I want to borrow it.
Pag naubos na,
Galing mo ba?
Piling mo, Aryan.
say ate. Say ate Clay. What's that?
Jerry. I want to make a Jerry.
Jerry?
Yeah.
Who is Jerry?
A fish.
Fish?
Uh,
Janitor fish?
Ano yung Jerry?
Jerry. Cherry.
Jerry.
Okay, cherry daw. Wow, ang galing na mag-cherry ah.
Let's strawberry.
Ano naman yan? What's that naman?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. You want to eat strawberry? I will buy.
Okay.
You will eat the strawberry.
With the senator fish with the strawberry.
I will buy strawberry. You will eat ba?
No, because that is for the growing up.
For adult?
No, for a small kid.
Small kid. What's that naman? Carrots?
No, look oh. Look.
Ay!
Then let's put the black.
Lee, di ba you said that that? Okay.
Daddy, saan ni Ate Hudeyo daw?
Or sabi mo it's bad? You say ate it's bad.
Ate is bad.
Carrots? Is that a carrot?
No, it's a strawberry.
Strawberry. This look like carrot kasi.
Sabi niya, di niya ako kunin sa akin.
Daming activity ni Clay. What's that? J plus
No,
Janitor.
janitor.
Oh, I will teach you. J-A-A. A. N. I. T. O. R. Yan, janitor.
Janitor fish.
No, it's only janitor. You want fish pa? Okay, F. Letter F.
Okay.
Sa baba. Okay na, sige na. Next time na lang.
Wow.
Ay, tabi.
Janitor fish.
Yes.
Thank you.
Finish na. What is the color of the head?
There. This one no, there.
Oh, careful, Clay. You careful.
Why say
Ay, gulat eh. You will tapon. It's hard to wash.
Is that to wash?
Aray, Clay, not that. Don't.
Washable.
You just put your brush there.
Because I was there, oh.
Ay, it will tapon. Oh, sige na. You finish na. Oh, pinagkakopyahin niya, oh. Koy pala yan, eh. Oh, I told you, don't put in the cup.
Daddy, tugo.
Where? Where's the tugo? Oh no, where's the tugo?
Tugo ako. Ay, it's a fake tugo.
Yes, it's a fake tugo.
Daddy, look at this.
Wow, it's beautiful, Clay. It's what is the color of the head?
Red.
Red then? Is it finished na? Is it finished na?
Yeah.
Oh, sige, you bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Clay.
No, I like
You will watch this one eh.
Okay.
I say you say you harap. Oh, you say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'll make a new one again.
I'll make a new one again.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.